Me hear them a say Bounty Killer run off Demarco off of him stage in Canada. Something can go so. I don't believe that, I don't believe that. Me not say it not happen, you know. But me just not believe it. Because, you see, nowadays, how people stay, you can't believe everything where you see and hear in the internet, because you have some people that run around and fabricate lies in the internet and I run around with it. I see them say the other day, you know, me hear them say, Joshy and Sken catch a fight down a one studio down so, you know. And I see Joshy in our recent interview with a lady, and the lady said, yes, I and Sken catch a fight down a one studio down so. And Joshy said, a long time in no see Sken. So you see, say, people not easy nowadays in the internet. Me I tell you, and now them I say, Bounty Killer run off Demarco off of him stage in Canada. And I expect me if you believe that. I don't believe it. I don't believe it at all. But at the same time, me nah say it not happen, you know. But guess what? You see, to all the people that moving on the internet nowadays, me not believe it. I don't believe it at all. No, sir. Me! Shocking Murray said that.